Our current office at Clifton and Mauney was opened about 7 years ago in this current building. We wanted to make sure that it felt comfortable and welcoming to families and people of all ages. I treat adults in orthodontics as well as children, so I wanted to make sure that this was a beautiful, comfortable, welcoming place for everyone. We love the colors, being light and fresh and airy. We love artwork. A lot of our kids compliment our artwork as you walk into the lobby. When you come through the office, walking toward the bay where we provide treatment, you first enter the area where we see our brand new orthodontic patients so that we could do that in a private setting. We didn't have that opportunity in our former space. So we thought that made sense to flow from that new patient intake area for the orthodontic patients into our orthodontic treatment bay. I kept that side of the office, and then if you walk through the bay, we have Dr. Chuck's side where we do most of our cleanings and children's exams and things like that. But we connect in the middle. We have our private treatment areas in that area as well, so we can provide our operative care with Dr. Chuck handy and nearby. And then when you go out, we have, the kids always are anxious to go pick out their toothbrush, their goodie bag, and of course the ever important prize. We made sure that our prize area was featured prominently in our design. So, parents get the information about the checkup in that area, and kids have a lot of time to pick out their prize as well.